butter poached berries. Do I really need to say anything else?
Here I've melted down a half of a stick of Finlandia butter, salted, and I'm gonna add in brown sugar. So I'm just waiting for the brown sugar now to just melt in. I've got delicious fresh blackberries. And here I have some baby pears. Just make sure you're nice and gentle. We don't want to break up any of the berries. Spoon warm poached berries onto some delicious yogurt. This is perfect for breakfast in bed, quick, easy dessert. Here I just have some delicious toppers. Candied ginger that I just sliced up, some sliced toasted almonds, the fresh edible flowers because they're so pretty, a little bit of that berry butter.